morning, West Michigan. We have a pretty quiet looking start to this Wednesday as we check out the view looking at our downtown Grand Rapids. It was nice to see the ice rink frozen again yesterday as folks were grabbing the skates and heading out to do a little bit of outdoor activity in downtown Grand Rapids. You can see it is a beautiful but quiet morning developing. A different perspective here looking out over the Grand River in downtown Grand Rapids, and again not a whole lot of activity this morning. Skies have partially cleared, so we will see a pretty sunrise across West Michigan, but the clouds will move back in as we head through the later part of the afternoon. And you'll notice one other thing as we continue our sky camera trip across West Michigan. Not much wind out there. Finally, those flags are calming down as well. So we are looking at a much quieter scene, at least from a wind perspective today as well. So fairly clear skies. Definitely looking at calmer winds. Temperatures are in the 20s this morning, so a chilly morning. But as we look at, again, those winds that are running less than 10 miles per hour, sustained winds this morning, we've got feels like readings in the 20s this morning as well. So it's actually feeling a lot more comfortable out there. And you'll notice the core of the coldest air locked back up in Canada. There is a pocket here back to our west, northern Wisconsin, the UP, northern Minnesota, where we do have some single-digit temperatures. But again, that brutally cold air that had certainly been the rule earlier this week is finally starting to moderate just a little bit. Now, what are we tracking for today? Well, we've got morning sunshine, a little give way to increasing clouds. Not much in the way of precipitation in the immediate area. There is a weak system that is moving eastward across the northern plain states off to our west. And as that comes into play for us this afternoon, you'll notice there's a lot of moisture here. So I do anticipate increasing cloud cover later this afternoon. And again, that will come after some mid to late morning sunshine. So we'll start out with some sunshine today. The clouds move in. Could see some light precipitation, maybe a little light snow, especially the further east and southeast you travel overnight tonight. And could see a little bit of light snow shower activity during the day tomorrow as well, especially along and west of US 131. Colder air settles in for Friday. In fact, highest temperatures tomorrow in the 30s once again. Only in the 20s here for Friday. Saturday, a few snow showers are possible. Sunday, for the beginning of 2017, we'll add a little more sunshine to the mix and could see a few rain showers move through on Monday. And then colder air gets set to move back in. It appears the second half of next week turns sharply colder with highs back in the 20s and lows in the teens.
We could use a little more sunshine.
I know. It's been definitely a pretty gloomy month of December so far. You know that stat that I was sharing with you earlier, 17 of the first 25 days of the month, 0% available sunshine. That's enough to bum anybody out.
Yeah, it does. It has its effect on us.